So I'm going to show you how the village Forex Trader got 250 pips on EURJPY. So let me start afresh. This is how it used to be. The analysis, you are going to start from monthly. Monthly is on a resistance level. So all what I need to do is to go to weekly and get something nice. As you can see, on weekly is on higher high, higher low, and it's on trend in the market. Look at something like this. It does break this ratio, higher high. As you can see how it is. Let me do this. Now you can see when you touch the trend line, it go back. Come touch and go back. Come touch and go back. But once it break it, as you can see, when it retraces to the angle, look at it massively and come down, massively drop down. So with this, we have gotten our weekly direction, and here is going to be sell, and 2 is on a resistance level. When I use this, look at this dodgy candle. When I mark this dodgy candle, so all what I need to do is to do something like this. Something like this, yeah. So this is for weekly. Then I will go to daily and see something similar, or I can get something much important. So all this side, I don't need to go far. I don't need to go far in this towards this side. All I need to focus. I need to focus within this side and this side, where the price broke the weekly structure and come back to the test before it dropped. So I'm going to focus on this side only. So look how it goes. I minimize, and then I keep to the small marking. As you can see, within this hour zone, I'm looking for engulfing sell that broke. So here I have gotten one. Let me use it's inside this weekly setup. So this is the first engulfing. Let me delete this. This is the engulfing on daily. Look at this. So I'm going to mark like this, and then I will adjust my key level line, my horizontal line to up. So as you can see, look at it. Whenever price come this side, as far as the daily candle not close above it, it's going to be sell massively. So as you can see, when price reach here and show a rejection, it dropped, and it come back and it dropped. So this is this weekly zone that I traded. So I will need to go to H4 and look for my setup on H4 or M15 so that I can show you. So I go back to H4. So look at under H4. H4 is still respected. As far as the candle do not close above this my line. As far as H4 do not close above it, so it's going to be a sell. Just mark my word. Anytime this sell did not break this, it's going to be a sell. So as you can see, what made me to enter the trade for this week was that number one, it did not close above and it showed a weak rejection. And previously here I have another candle. Look at it. Oh, look at it. Look at this candle. This candle that show interest. There are much sellers in the zone. So the place is going to be, there's going to be volatility in the market, very hard. There's going to be volatility in the market, very hard. So look at what happened. So look at what's happened once price reached there. Look at once price reached there, it drop. Once price reached there, it will drop. So look at it. And here we are having double bottom. When you change back to line chart, you can see M pattern. Break, you wait for retracement, you enter, sell. So let me check how many pips I've been able to make from this since Monday. $240 pips, clean, one direction. So you need to know how to look for direction also. For further details, follow my Telegram where I drop update. This is my progress of the Village Forex Trader. And let me go back to H1 so that you can see something. Look at where I entered on Wednesday. This was what I saw on Wednesday that made me to enter to continue the sell. This was what I saw. As far as price did not break my zone and the candle did not close above it, and price did not close above it, so I said, so look at it. On Wednesday, this was what I was able to get from this zone till down. I was able to get 125 pips. So now I just reached another of my zone for buy setup from below, but I don't want to make this video long, so I will continue on my next recording and you know how to do, and I will want to teach you how to do this. So join my Telegram. So this way I'm going to share my journey about my Forex lifestyle, about the life of the Village Forex Trader, or the journey of the Village Forex Trader who is trying to become rich. So try to subscribe to my YouTube channel and you see the series. So look at what this buy setup here. Look at, let me trade. You do see this is the trade, but it's for a short term buy. This trade is for a short term buy. It's for a short term. It's for a short term. Let me go to M15. Look at M15. Look at M15. So this is where I got my buy. This was, this was where I got my sell. As you can see, boom, I put my stop loss just 20 pips above it and it's worked down. So I'm going to teach you how to do mark all this zone. So subscribe to my YouTube channel. Stay tuned. Peace.